I'm going to share with you two hacks that will really save you time and effort when you are getting your butter out to prep for your cake. Now, take a look at the butter that you have in your fridge. Like, literally get it out and have a look at it. Have you ever noticed that it has this measurement on the side? So my block of butter has marks that are in 50 gram. And if you didn't know what these marks are, well, I'm going to tell you. They're a simple way to let you know how you can measure out the butter without having to get out your weighing scale or your cups. Like, if you want to use a portion of the butter, you can directly measure out exactly how much butter that you need so that you don't have to put the whole block out or faff around trying to measure. So let's say, for example, I want to take out 200 grams of butter. All I have to do is use the measurements on the side to decide how much to take out. So what I do is I will just use a knife just to gently indent and score on the outside so that it makes marks on the inside, and then I know exactly how much butter to take out, and then that just makes things easy. And I'm also going to show you a trick on how you can get your butter to come to room temperature really, really easy and simply. If you left it as a big block, it will take longer. But if you cut it into tiny little cubes, like I'm doing here, then your butter will be much quicker to come to room temperature. So this is a handy trick to know if you've forgotten to take your butter out in time and you really want to get it to come to room temperature. Try this hack next time. It will save you time and effort. For more videos like this that share those tips that you just don't see anywhere but make a difference in baking, subscribe to Dr. Mommy Cake's channel. Click on the notification button so that you will not miss out on any of my tutorial. Happy baking!